Now, in order to start making games with Godot, first thing first you need is to obviously download the Godot engine itself. So you can go to this website called godotengine.org or godotengine.org, and here you can see this is a beautiful website which is made by them, and here you can see some screenshots and some samples. And what you have to do is basically just click on this download latest button over here, and then based on your operating system, either if you are using Linux, Windows or Mac OS, you can choose your operating system and just download this Godot engine version 4.0. Now there are two versions available for Godot. One is the basic Godot, in which we'll be using the GD script to make the game. In this course we'll be covering that, but there is one more version available of Godot where if you want to use the C# language, uh, which will which we will cover in some later courses. So in this particular course we are going to use GD script as our base language for coding. So I'm just going to click here on Godot engine, and now it just came a pop-up and my download began. Now the good part of this is that this engine size is very light. So the engine size is very less, so based on your internet you may have your download ready within 5 or maybe even 2 minutes. So now as you can see, my file has been downloaded and I have downloaded it on the desktop. So let's go over here. Here is my file, the zip file which has been downloaded. So I'll simply right click. So I'll right click here and I'll click on extract all, and let's extract that. And we are done. So when I open this up, you can see that there are two things available. One is Godot version 4.0 stable win console, and one is Godot 4.0 version stable win64. So you just have to double click on that win64 version. So just double click on that, and now you can see that Godot engine has launched. So this was it. In the next video, we will see how to use this project manager window in order to create or delete or update any projects right inside Godot. See you in the next video.